This is the world's first touchscreen Mac. Guess what I'm using? I'm using an iPad. Guess what I'm using? I'm using an Apple Bluetooth mouse. This is the perfect and first touchscreen, the world's first touchscreen Mac. How you like that? Wow, I took the screen off. Look at that. Let's put my Mac screen back here and let's type away. The world's first touchscreen Mac. Boom. I can go to, where else can I go? I can go to Maps. I can go to, let's see, my blog. Wow. And what do we have here? My blog entry for today. iPhone 27's tech blog. How about that? You can see it in full screen. Wow, I have a touchscreen Mac. Let's close that. So if you like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.